It's a bad man thing.
Hey loves, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, Wigs to Wasteland here with another quick wig show and tell. So I want to give a big shout out to Janet Collection for reaching out to me to do a review on one of their units. I've had my eye on this wig for a while, but I just never got around to reviewing it. And this is in the style Spinel or Spinal? Yeah. Anywho, a couple of my viewers reached out and said they wanted to see me in some lighter, more blondish type of colors. So I went with the color Daisy. Here is her care card. Enough said. Let's get into this review.
And calm down, we be going from short to short now. Stop having me on my knee, they wanna put me on the display, but me I know said make them watch me on the TV. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. They keep raw and okay. If they play,
ladies, okay. So another jump, big old leap into the color spectrum, Miss Spinel. Let's start with this color. This color is not for the faint of heart. For me, it's a little too yellow. Texture on here is unbelievably soft. Love the texture on this unit. No luster to it. I'm not even getting any shedding or tangling with this unit. Parting space is okay. This is a little bit of an older unit, back when we had to pluck our parts. Biggest con with the parting is there is not a lot of room for error, and some of the tracks are showing after I plucked it. But if you guys are interested in Miss Spinel, then I'll definitely leave some information in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel, girl. Let me know that you are here. And ladies, you know what I say. Whatever wig you wear, whatever style, cut, or color, wear it with confidence. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Did you hear about the robbery at the parking garage? No. It was wrong on so many levels. You're so funny. Did you hear about the party with the light bulbs? No. It was lit. Did you hear about the guy who got his whole left side cut off? No, I didn't. He's alright now. Why did the golfer bring an extra pair of pants? For a hole in one. No, because he had a boot. My darling son.
my city, but you hate me when you see me now. They want to know.